Good evening, everyone, and welcome to my gold and silver analysis. I'm JR. Thanks for joining me. Today is the 9th day of August 2017. We'll do a daily analysis here for both gold and silver as well as the US dollar. We'll try to keep this under 5 minutes. Just wanted to go over some price action here. So gold, again, trading in this giant wedge, currently testing resistance here. We'll see if we can get some buyers to come in order for us to break that level of resistance. But again, this is going to be a hard level to go above. If we do go above that level, we'd like to see something like this. You're probably going to find some resistance up here. Also, we've tried to go above 1300. We have not been able to since really we haven't closed. We haven't seen a close above 1300 since November of 2016, right? So a close above 1300 would be very, very positive here for gold, and a break of this channel would also be very positive. A break of this trend line here will be very, very positive here for gold. So we'll see what happens. But again, if you have some longs, this will probably be a good time for you to take some profits off the table. If you believe that this market in the short term is going to continue to go up, I believe that it's going to continue to go up. Too much political tensions, too much threats, North Korea, Bitcoin, all of that good stuff. Talk about a great time to own gold and silver, right? So we'll see what happens. Let's look at silver. Silver, as far as silver is concerned, same thing with silver. Silver, a lot more choppy than gold, obviously. We're looking to test this level here around 17 and a half. Also trading within this wedge, but it looks like silver still has not made it up to the top of the wedge. Again, break this level here, 17 and a half, might be very positive here for silver. We might see something like this and the market continue to go up. What you really want to see, as always, is you want to see a break and then a test of that break. So if you broke around 17 and a half, that resistance is now going to serve as support, and that's what you want to see. If that does serve as support, then the market usually shoots up much higher. But again, so on the longer term, you can see here that silver has cut out what seems to be a bottom roughly in this area here, right? So we are creating higher highs on the shorter term time frames here, the daily time frames. We've taken out this level of resistance, this level, and we've kind of breached this level here. I'm not going to say that this is a solid take out of this level. I'm not going to say that, but a close above this level nonetheless. So technically we have to go by that and say that now any longs have to be traded against this low here, 1610. Okay, but again, being very careful because you're targeting around 17 and a half because of this trend line. Okay, what else we have? We have platinum. Okay, platinum, let me clean this up a bit. So you can see here that platinum broke above its trend line here. And since then, the market just looks very, very strong. There's a big break of that trend line. And we've broken above all of these levels of resistance, including this level of resistance. And we've actually closed above this level. We might find some pushback here, some resistance around this level here. Maybe come back down here. Maybe come back down here before continuing to go higher. Who knows? But again, a really nice breakout here on platinum. And if you look at the platinum to gold ratios, that does suggest that the market is going to continue to go higher. At least the platinum is going to go higher against the gold. So good time to sell your gold and buy some platinum. Historically speaking, when the platinum ratios go up, the precious metals go up as well. The US dollars, let's look at the US dollar. Okay, I've gone over this chart here before, and basically what we have is we have a broadening formation here, very bearish formations. I am expecting the market to continue to go down and test this $90 area, 90 and a half. A break of 90 and a half would be very, very, very negative for the US dollar. And yeah, as of right now, this is what you have. You have a fairly strong trend, currently testing resistance. And I would probably say that this is, if you are going to short this market, you might want to stay long metals. And if if the US dollar breaks above 94 and a half, 94 and a quarter, that might be a little negative for the metals. But ultimately, it doesn't look like that's going to be the case. It definitely looks like this is a good opportunity to short and take this thing down to the 90 where I'm targeting. There's the US dollar. There's the broadening formation. And here's the target. The target is 90 and 3/4. Okay. Let's look at the last trade that we made here as far as the gold against the Australian dollar. We did this trade live here on 1578, targeting much higher, but in the short term, targeting this area here. Currently, bow, really nice move. This is what the move has done since we posted this video. Currently trading around 16.18. Again, this was a $12 bet, and this market is already up about $35. Not a bad deal with a $12 risk. Okay, so you bet 12, you bet 1 to make 3 so far. Let's see if this market continue to go higher. Of course, we're going to continue to push our stop losses higher and higher and higher. All right, that's about it. I hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.